you like Mom's chicken? Is that good chicken? What else are you having? Are you having some broccoli? And some corn? Do you like chicken? Chicken. Can you say chicken, chicken, chicken? Say, uh-huh. Did you say your prayers? You did? Okay. Oh, okay. Say your prayers. Go ahead.
Say your prayers.
Amen. Okay, I guess we're done. Eat your chicken. Chicken, chicken.
Are you giving your compliments to the chef?
Greasy chicken kisses.
Yummy. Can you give your compliments to the chef?
Is finger looking good? Yummy.
Finger looking smashing good.
You say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye.
Good boy.
Bye-bye.